Hello, today we will be designing this. Please take a screenshot of this and we will go from modeling all the way to drawing. So I'm going to throw this on my second screen. I'm using OnShape and this is a free subscription. So let's go to create, document, and we're going to call this homework 5. Alright, I'm going to hide my top view and right view. Just click on both, left click and hit Y. And we're going to click on in front and pull this over. Alright, using my middle mouse button to pan. And if I scroll the middle mouse button, it does zoom. If I hold my right mouse button down, it does a rotation. Okay, let's go back to front. Alright, let's start sketch on front. And now we will start with the general shape. This is 2.5 inches tall. We're going to start with a square rectangle here. D for dimension. We're going to make the distance from here to here 2.5. The width of it is 2 millimeters. Okay, and now we can finish this sketch. We can do it. Rotation, let's extrude this. So we're going to go over here to extrude. We're going to flip this the other way. Click on that little arrow right there. We're flipping it back. And we're going to make the thickness of this 0.5. Alright, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I'm using inches in this. So, okay. So now I want to build the front ledge on here. So I can do another sketch on this surface right here. And I can click a rectangle. And I just drop anywhere, click D for dimension, click there, click here, and let's push 0.5. Okay, and now finish that guy. We're going to extrude this guy out 0.75 inch. Okay, green check. Now we're going to build a sketch on the front of this. That's going to be our recess into it. I'm going to choose this right here, rectangle, click there to there, D for dimension. We're going to click overall size. This guy is 1 inch. And then off of one of the walls is 0.5. Okay. And now we want to finish this guy. Now we're going to do another extrude. We're going to take this surface, we're going to remove, and we're going to go in 0.25 inch. Okay. And it's automatically removed. Now we want to go back into the original sketch and go with, we click on sketch 1. First, we're going to click the eyeball to show it. Then we're going to click sketch 1 to get into there. Now we're going to flatten it. Let's go to circle and we want to choose that, hit D for dimension 1 inch. Now we got to place it. So we want to place it from here to here 1 inch, and then from this here to here is 1 inch also. All right, finish that guy. And that extruded already. Extruded it out. Now I want to add a blend or fillet to that edge right here. So click that edge. Let's try that again. Let's go to fillet. Click that edge only, and then we're gonna go with 1 inch. Okay. And now we're gonna put a radius in the very front of this. This is 0.25 radiuses on the front here. 1 here, 1 here, 0.25. Alright, and that is the shape that we want. Let's go create a drawing now. So we're going to go over here. We're going to create a drawing. It's an ANSI 8 inch. Okay. We're going to click right there on part 1. Click in here, and then we're going to do a projected view on here. And now we're going to do another projected view off of this guy here. And then we're going to click over here to insert view. We're going to go to front, click and change that to isometric. I'm going to slide that guy over here. All right, now we're going to hit D for dimension. Our first dimension is going to be diameter, or radius, sorry. That's a diameter. Distance from here to here, 1.5. Distance to here 0.5. Distance from here to here, 1.25. Total height here to here 2.5, distance here to here 0.5, and then Distance here to here, 0.25. Here to here, 1 inch. Here to here, 0.5. And we'll try to line that up as best we can. And then we have a diameter, I'm sorry, then we have a radius here. And let's put our overall width here. I think that was missing from the original. We could have calculated that. So 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 equals to 2. So, all right, that is the drawing. So that completes the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.